Fishy facts, coughing fish. Did you know some fish can cough? I know, right? It sounds like something out of a cartoon, but it's totally true. So, why would a fish need to cough? Well, it's not because they've caught a cold. Fish cough to clear their gills. Their gills can get clogged with debris or even parasites. A good cough helps them breathe easy again. It's not exactly like our cough, of course. They quickly push water out of their operculum, that little flap covering their gills. This burst of water helps dislodge anything that shouldn't be there. Pretty neat, huh? Next time you're near a fish tank, keep an ear out. You might just hear a tiny cough. It's just a fish keeping things clean. Nature is full of surprises, isn't it?